Do you know what time it is? It is time to sing our favorite color song. Okay, let's sing it. What is your favorite color? Wait, tell me when we sing the song, okay? You'll get your turn. Let's sing it. My favorite color is... I'm listening. Tell me mine. You know mine. You are right. It is purple. Let's sing the song. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. Now tell me, what is yours? Listen. Is it blue? Is it yellow? Is it black? Is it red? Is it orange? Is it purple? Is it green? Is it brown? Is it pink? All the colors of the rainbow. Now tell me, which one, pretty please? Your color is? Your favorite color is? Wow! Your favorite color is? Your favorite color is? Thank you for sharing with me. Let's do it. Should we do it again? Okay. Your favorite color is? Your favorite color is? Yes. Your favorite color is? Thank you for sharing with me. Thank you. Can you see a van? V is for van. Now it's time to color our letter V orange. That is the color of the week. So we will color our letter V orange. Are you ready? If you have your flashcard, get it quickly and let's color the letter V orange together. You can pause this video and color the letter orange, and then you can play it to see the outcome. Okay, are you ready? Let's do it! One more thing, if you don't have your flashcard, don't worry. Watch me as I color the letter V orange. But if you don't have it and you'd like to have it, then look in the description box. I have left a link that will lead you straight to the printables, all for free. You'll be able to create 26 flashcards from A to Z. Okay, are you ready? Let's color the letter V orange. You have it. Our letter V is orange, and V is for van. This is the big letter V, and that is the small letter V. V is for van. I hope you enjoyed coloring the letter V with me. Join me next time for another fun coloring session. See ya!